Hello student, good morning. You see similarity of triangles. You must keep in your mind similarity of triangles. What can you say about the similarity of two triangles? You may recall that triangle is also a polygon. So we can state the same conditions for the similarity of two triangles. That is, two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. These must be there in the mind of the student to understand the similarity of the figure. Okay, now see. The ratio of any two corresponding sides in two equiangular triangle is always the same. You keep in your mind also. The ratio of any two corresponding sides in two equiangular triangle is always the same. It is believed that he had used a result called the basic proportionality theorem. It is known as BPT. BPT means basic proportionality theorem, now known as the Thales theorem. Student, it must be learnt and understood by you clearly, sincerely. To understand the basic proportionality theorem, you must see this theorem 6.1. This is Thales theorem, basic proportionality theorem, BPT. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle to intersect the other two sides in the distinct point, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. You must learn it. You see triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. A line drawn, a line DE drawn to one side of triangle, parallel to one side of triangle. D drawn parallel to one side of triangle to intersect other two sides at two distinct points D and E. The other two sides divided in the same ratio at these two distinct points. If such cases conditions arises anywhere, we can say BPT, basic proportionality theorem, Thales theorem. Thales theorem states that if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, in a triangle, if a line drawn parallel to one side of triangle, then other two sides divided in the same ratio at two distinct points. The AD upon BD equal to AE upon AC. AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC. Okay, given here. So you 2 times, 3 times learn it, understand it, and you see the proof also. Okay, proof also. Then you will understand the exercise questions. Now student, you have to learn this theorem number 6.2, the converse of the first. Converse of the first. If a line divides any two sides of triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side. The converse of the first, this is. If a line divides other two side triangle in the same ratio, then this line will parallel to third side. If a line divides other two sides of triangle in the same ratio, then this line parallel to third side. This is a converse of first. Okay student, you can prove it and complete in your fair copy also. Now you see question exercise 6.2. Exercise 6.2. So I am going to solve the question from exercise 6.2. Let's see. Okay, now exercise 6.2. Question number 1. In figure first and second, DE parallel to BC. Find EC in first and AD in second. Okay, student, you see now A, B, C, this line DE parallel to BC and 1.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and this is 3 centimeter, and this is question mark. You see, you have to find out EC you have to find out question mark. Now it's satisfied according to Thales theorem, that is known as BPT also, basic proportionality theorem. AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. This is implies 1.5 upon 3 equal to 1 upon EC. By cross multiply 1.5 into EC equal to 1 into 3. Now EC equal to 1 into 3 means 3 upon 1.5. You divide 3 by 1.5, then you delete the decimal by multiply 10 in both sides, that is 30 upon 15, that is 2 centimeter. This is answer. Okay, student. Now figure number second, you see A, B, C. Now you see DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. Now 7.2 centimeter and 1.8 centimeter and 5.4 centimeter. Now you have to find out AD. Where is AD? AD. You have to find out AD. Now by using Thales theorem or BPT, basic proportionality theorem, AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. Now AD upon 7.2 is equal to AE upon EC. By cross multiply 5.4 AD equal to 7.2 into 1.8. AD equal to 7.2 into 1.8 upon 5.4. Now 18 3 ja 54 and you divide 7.2 by 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12. If the same decimal place are there, then you can neglect and divide at as usual numbers. Okay. Then AD equal to 2.4 centimeter. This is your answer. Okay, the value of AD. Okay, student. Now you can see question number 1 clearly. In next video I will send question number 2. Thank you very much.